Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's a little bit different. I wanted to do a plan with me, so that's what I'm going to do. I am in GoodNotes 5 and I'm using a planner that I created myself in Keynote. Here I'm just showing you the blank monthly spread and then my sticker book, which comes in a bundle if you were to purchase this planner on Etsy. And right now I'm just deciding which monthly layout I would like to use. And here you'll just lasso, make sure that you're on images, and then circle and hold it, copy. And now I'm just going back into my planner and I'm going to paste this inside my planner to where I would like it to sit. And if you would like, you can copy this and crop it so it's one side and then crop the other side as well, and then that way you can get it a little bit more precise. Here I'm selecting my March title to put on my March calendar. Now I'm going back into my stickers to find my days. I had to go back and click on the months page because for some reason in GoodNotes you have to make sure that you haven't lassoed anything previously, or else it won't let you lasso in whatever page you're trying to lasso in. So I copied and pasted the days of the week into this planner here, and I'm just sizing it so that it fits into those little boxes. Next, I am going to go to the numbers here and just copy and paste those, and then I am going to set them up, resize them into my monthly spread on the days that they go to. Alright, now that all of those numbers are done, the next thing that I'm going to go into is my thumbnail, because I need a blank page. So I am actually just going to copy this page and I'm going to bring that in right after my monthly spread here. Now that I have this blank page after my month spread, I am going to go back into my stickers and I'm going to pick a spread that is similar to my monthly spread with the headers, that is. So I'm going to pick this one here and copy and paste that into my blank page, and then size and fit it. And like I said, with these you can crop it so you have one side all fitted and then crop the other side separately. This is a sticker, so it's just all one size here. Here I've already copied my March title for this particular spread that I have going on, so I'm just going to size that once again to make sure it looks all good. Once again, I am going to need my numbers so that I can go ahead and date my week that is coming up. Now I am just looking for some more stickers to add to this layout. I plan to grab some to-do tabs so then I can add them to the top of my weekday. Next will be the daily tabs that I need to add in here as well. I opened up Dropbox in a split screen here because I wanted to add some cleaning stickers that I had made. So I am just cropping those and editing how they fit into each little spread. I did end up copying and then cropping each image into each day. In my old sticker book, I needed some other stickers just so that I can record my water intake. And then I'm also going to add in like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and then also when I need to work out and do yoga. And I decided that the beginning of my planner looked kind of bland. So here I'm just going to add a little bit of a design to the March title. And then I'm also going to add some washi tape as well. Now on to my weekly spread. I'm adding a sticky note and then one of these rectangles. Not 100% sure what those are called, so if you know, leave it down in the comments below. I am also adding some washi tape. I wasn't too sure if I should add this particular one to the top or to the bottom, so I just added it to the top because it looked the best. Here I am adding a love yourself little quote, and then but first coffee onto the rectangle one. Next, I'm going to add some weather icons to the days of the week. I am using my Apple Watch because I'm actually recording this on my phone. And this is my final look of my weekly spread. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.